The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumferences of the two circles. So here I am given two circles. Let us say the radius of the first circle is r1. So r1 is equal to 19 centimeters. And let us say the radius of the second circle is r2. So r2 is equal to 9 centimeters. Now I have to find the radius of the third circle r3. And what is the relationship? Circumference of third circle is equal to sum of circumferences of first and second circles, right? So what is the formula for circumference? It is equal to, if I know the radius, then circumference is equal to 2 pi into radius, correct? So what will be the value of the circumference of the third one? 2 pi into r3, correct? What is the circumference of the first one? It is 2 pi into r1. And the circumference of the second circle is 2 pi into r2. So this means that 2 pi into r3 is equal to 2 pi into r2 plus 2 pi into r1, correct? So here I can take 2 pi common and add both of them, correct? So 2 pi into r3 is equal to 2 pi into r2 plus r1, correct? So if I have 2 pi common in both sides, so I can divide both sides by 2 pi, right? Because it cannot be 0, so I can divide both sides by 2 pi. So if I divide by 2 pi, then both will get cancelled, and I'll be left with the equation r3 is equal to r2 plus r1. What is the value of r1? 19 centimeters, and r2 is 9 centimeters. So r3 is equal to 9 centimeters, which is r2, plus 19 centimeters, which is r1, which is equal to 28 centimeters. Therefore the required radius of the circle is 28 centimeters.